day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Rachel Budoy, and I'm married. I have 2 children, ages 24 and 20. I'm high school graduate. I live in Antututka, Cebu, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I have 5 brothers, and I'm the second of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Okay, can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. My work experience in Singapore. I have 2 employer. My first employer, I serve two elderly and 1 adult. And my duties and responsibilities: cooking, ironing, washing the car, and marketing. And my second employer, I serve 2 elderly and 1 adult, and my duties and responsibilities is cooking, ironing, marketing, and washing the car.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check the temperature of the baby, and I call my employer to tell them that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest and hardworking, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to give a good future of my children.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will do busy myself, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep 10 p.m. and I woke up around 5 a.m. or 6, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so overactive and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I stay calm and be patient, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir, but I need to learn more, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, sir. If you choose me as your helper, I will do my best and to be honest and hardworking, sir. Thank you.